just saying.
Yeah. You got one. What do you know? There we go, guys. Another fish on. Oh, man, you should see how it's hooked.
Okay. Jinx yourself.
Take a look at how it's hooked.
Oh yeah, beautiful, huh?
Look at that. There we go, another fish on the day. So welcome back to another day.
Telling me that he got
yeah, the bite has been on fire lately.
He's actually been
So
doing good this year, man.
Yeah.
He's been doing good.
warm weather, clear water, overcast skies, and you know the crowd behind us is actually getting hyped up because they're gonna catch a lot of fish, and we've been catching a lot of fish. Pretty much we've been using everything and just catching everything. So you can see they're starting to get multi-species. You know, we got a few silvers coming along, carp, smallmouth bass, a couple sheephead, but there's a lot of walleye that are coming through the river right now, and a lot of big ones. So most of them are spawned out right now. You only have a limited window to get that biggie still, so hopefully we can get that big one. 11 pounder, 31 inches. Let's go look for her. Hopefully somebody even on the shore lands it, you know what I'm saying? I'm even hoping Aham catches that. Come on, Aham, do it. Do it. Did you hear him? He said, do it. So, anyways, let's go fishing. All right, let's look for this big mama right now. You can see I'm still using that same June bug, same 3/4 ounce jig. It was like a black chartreuse and yellow color before, but now you can see as I was banging the bottom, we're losing all the color right now. It's almost time to change for another jig. Always test your jig right there to see that if it's sharp. Mine's still sharp. She hangs on. So just make sure. Might not want to lose that 10 pounder or that big specialty fish that you're always looking for. So always check your gear. Let's go. First fish on the evening, guys. Beautiful, beautiful fight right now. She's actually hacking on this. Got overcast conditions, nice clear water. This is gonna be a beauty fish. Nice fish coming in. I got her really far, jigging that 3/4 ounce jig. There we go. Beautiful eater walleye there. Thank you, Ivan. There you guys go. First Detroit River walleye of the evening. Beautiful 3-pounder. I'm actually not keeping today, so we're gonna do a little bit of catch and releasing, all right, guys? So here we go. All right, so here's the walleye. About to let her go. Nice. Oh, no, thank you. I appreciate it, Eric. Yep. So here we go. Back into the water she goes.
I ordered a mini recorder.
Fish on it, guys. There you go. So right there, caught that on the June bug, 3/4 ounce jig. Beautiful hook set on that fish. Just had a whale on that. So we're fighting in clear water right now. Bright, beautiful day, overcast skies. You got the nice Ambassador Bridge in the background. You can see that's a beautiful view. So here we go. There's the first walleye of the day. Sorry, second walleye of the day. So there you go, guys. There is my second walleye of the day. She's bleeding just a little bit, so I'm gonna try to get her back in the water as soon as I can. I'm gonna do a little quick release. So there she is. She's got a little bit of tumors on her face, so that's the reason why I'm letting her go. I'm also just catching and releasing right now, so here we go. Voila. No.
No?
No. Ooh, there you go, guys. Another fish on.
You just folded it.
Yeah, third fish of the day. Slammed it. Nice little eater coming in. Oh yeah, it slammed it. I just cast it out and I was just trying to find the bottom. And she just slammed that. Still using that June bug. Still killing it here. Nice clear waters. Yeah, as soon as it hit the bottom, cast it out far. Yeah. Yeah, so here we go. Number 3 on the evening. Right there, guys. Number 3 on the evening. Beautiful, beautiful Detroit River walleye on that June bug right there. Just inhaling it. Smashing the bait right now. You guys just can't keep them off your line. So here we go. Let's get some more. Woo! So here you go, guys. That was that walleye I just caught. Third walleye of the season. Nice little eater. I'm just doing a little catch and release today. So here we go. Back into the water you go. Here we go, guys. Another fish on the day. Number 4 on the June bug here. So you can see.
I'll get you.
Oh, this one's actually a nice one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's really fighting. She's really fighting. She's really fighting, bro. Oh yeah.
Biting.
It is biting, bro. Oh yeah, she's cranking away. Beauty fish though. Nice, perfect in conditions. Oh, that's only if we lose it, bro. Oh. Wow, what a head shake. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Is she a beauty?
She is a beauty. She is a beauty. All right, we got another fish in there, guys. Beautiful fish. All right. So there you guys go right there. There's another walleye in the evening. Slam the June bug, 3/4 ounce jig right there. Beautiful, beautiful fish there. Roughly about 4 pounds or so. Nice fish. We'll let her go real quick, all right? All right, so here's that fish that just slammed the June bug. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Playing catch and release today, so here we go. Bring me the big mama. Call your great grandma or great granddaddy, whatever it is. 10 pounder, 11 pounder. There you go, guys. Another fish on the day there. She whacked it very, very hard. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. On that June bug again, 3/4 ounce jig. This one just hammered it. She just hammered it. Thank you, brother. She's gonna be a nice one. She's gonna be a nice one. Unless it's Chinder, but
She looks like a nice one.
yeah, I might have chinned her though.
No, she's huge.
Oh! There you go, guys. I don't know what to say about that. I don't know what to say about that. Oh no! No, so let me show you guys what just happened here. Well, there you go, guys. There's my first freshwater drum of the year, also known as sheephead. No! What a great fight though. She was a pure brute. Monstrous, monstrous. Check that golden color on that. First of the year. Oh, she's powerful, so I'm gonna let her go real quick. So here we go. Back into the water you go. Bye-bye. There you go, guys. Another fish on. Oh, shaw! Okay. There you go. Another fish on the day. Missed one and got one again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here we go. Oh yeah. On that June bug still, 3/4 ounce jig. Slaying it. Right in the sunset there. Right behind me.
Oh, sorry. I should have came out. Somebody want to get another one? I'm still in it. I thought I was under.
So here we go. Thank you, Hardy.
You're very welcome.
All right, sir. Thank you.
They're still here.
They are still here. Beautiful. So there you guys go. Another fish on the day. Beautiful walleye, short river. Smashed it on the June bug. It's just banging that bottom. I just missed one. A couple jigs later, started hacking at it again, and boom! It just lit up again. My rod just fired off, and here we go. This is the result. Nice, beautiful, golden, true Detroit River walleye, right there. Oh, you definitely could fight it. He could definitely fight it over there. You go, Eric. So here's that walleye I just caught. Nice little eater, but I'm playing catch and release today, so. Here we go, back into the water you go. Call your great grandmother, not your great granddaughter, like I said the last time. So the bigger the fish, the better. Because it's just montage, right?
Yeah.
And then the fishing is on that day.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be an alright fight.
Yeah, I would love it. I love it.
2 11s, please.
All right, yeah, 2 11s. I'm cool with that. All right, I'm cool with that. 3. How about let's just give an 11 to everybody on the shoreline right now? Oh, 11! So here you go. I'm not asking for an 11 right now, but this is fish number 6 of the night here. Slammed it. This one scarfed it down. This one scarfed it, Eric.
Did he?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. It might even be a she. So there we go.
Coming up front.
Tons of fish today, brother. There we go. Thank you.
Oh, I hope it didn't tangle up here.
That's all right. It's simple, this one. All right, everyone. So there you go. This is gonna be my last fish of the day, right there. Nice, beautiful greenback walleye there. Perfect from the Detroit River. A lot of people like this for the dinner table. Beautiful, beautiful, delicious fish. Perfect fish to eat. Nice, white, flaky meat. So you guys get this on the dinner table. Get a nice little fish fry together with some french fries and some coleslaw. This is perfect, perfect fish to eat this. So you guys get out there, catch some of this, enjoy yourselves, have a lot of fun, and God bless you. Until next time, see ya.